Hey everybody, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. We're here in Huntley, Illinois, and I'm going to go inside. We have Edwin working on a job for us. So he's doing painting, drywall repair, and I'm going to do some cabinet repairs myself on it because it's a little bit different project. But we'll go in. Let's see how we're working on his house. All right, so we'll just go room by room of what we're painting in here. So here's an office. Edwin already painted this. So he painted the doors, wainscoting, crown, ceilings, walls. This bookcase, some bookcases we can move. This one was not a movable one, but other furniture in here was able to move. So something we can help with is moving furniture. We just put gliders on the floor, kind of lift it up with a dolly, or just put something under there, lift it up, and we can pull it out, move furniture. We will be painting this area, moving that furniture. The living room, kind of the same thing. Here's some bigger pieces. So this kind of stuff, we ask that it gets emptied, so that there's nothing fragile in there. And then same thing, we'll put sliders under there and pull that out. Same with that one. The TV, we'll just have, someone will be holding the TV, but all the fragile stuff we ask to get moved out, and then we'll pull that out. Furniture in here will get pulled out, and then we'll be painting walls, ceilings, and then in here, wall, ceilings, and then bedroom. It's kind of a fun thing. They had, couldn't quite tell in here, but a darker brown. So we always say we were guessing. So this was pure white, and they had a darker brown. So it took 3 coats. This was already white, so that wasn't a big deal. Again, furniture was able to be moved. The bathroom in here, I think they painted this one already. Yep. So bathroom here was painted, ceilings, walls. They replaced the light, so they had some old molly bolts that were here, and then had some other mounting like things that were in the wall. So that got all patched and painted. And then the master bedroom they're working on now. So it's kind of a fun one. We're doing colors, kind of, I don't know, they're a little bit different. But we're painting walls, ceiling, tray ceiling, crown, base, doors. So that is what we are doing here in Huntley today. If you are looking to get something painted, either while you're here, before you're moving in, before you sell, who knows, painting, wallpaper, cabinet refinishing, love to see how we could help. Oh, I'll show you the cabinet repair we're gonna make. So this is a laminate, but one thing we can do is we do graphic installations. So these graphics, some of the graphics, oh man, it switched. So with the graphics, one of the things we can do is change this stuff. So this is, you can see the like MDF crap, but it's just like a contact paper. But we have this product we use called Dynoc. It's mainly commercial or hotel installation where they're changing the faces of the door. It's like a skin almost, but it's kind of like contact paper. It's a little bit different. So we found a matching cherry it's basically new contact paper. So we're gonna peel off this area that got damaged because they had a backsplash there, so that got damaged. So we're just basically gonna reskin this area so it stays that same wood. That way it doesn't get all messed up. So that's another way we're helping with the cabinets versus just painting them, because it's beautiful cabinets. If you got questions, let us know. Let's see how we can help you with painting, wallpaper, cabinet refinishing, drywall repairs. And we'll talk to you soon. You guys have a great day and God bless.